How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Thrustmaster to PS5 and how to set it up and use Thrustmaster with your actual console. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. If this is your first time looking at the actual instructions from Thrustmaster, it can get a little bit confusing, but I'm here to simply guide you. First things first, you want to turn on your PS5. Right after, you want to connect the pedals from the racing wheel itself, and just make sure that your racing wheel is straightened out and not turned, 0-degree turning radius. So from there, after making sure that you connected your pedals to the wheel, you want to connect the USB port using this cable right here, or this port, to the actual PS5, which is going to be right here. After connecting, we then want to switch between two modes, basically blue and red is for PS4 and PS5. You can just go ahead and switch between those modes to see which one works for your console. Now, in order to switch between modes, you want to click on the mode button for 5 seconds and then use the arrow keys right here, left and right, and you can switch between red, green, and blue. Once again, red and blue is for PS5 and PS4, so you want to go ahead and switch between those modes to see if it works perfectly. And you also have to make sure that your game is supported officially on the list itself. So for PS5, we have something like Busbound, Assetto Corsa, Alaskan Road Truckers, and many more. You can just head over to the official page of Thrustmaster to see if your game is supported for your console. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.